Hi guys, welcome back. If you're one of my regular subscribers, if you're not, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Valerie, your practical decorator, helping you to make it home. But I hope you enjoyed watching me transforming this sweater into what I am calling a hugs pillow. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. Drop it below. I'm excited to hear your thoughts just as much as I was excited to share this sweater idea with you. Apart from being on the couch, it could also be a floor cushion. It would be nice in a child's bedroom. It would make a great Christmas gift. Wait, before I leave, if you have not yet subscribed, do me a favor and hit that subscription button, and remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Sending lots of love and appreciation. You take care now, and I'll see you in the next video.